Hey, what's up everyone? I hope this video finds you doing really well. This is footage from a workout that I completed just a few days ago, and it was very simple. Simple in theory, but just because something is simple doesn't mean that it can't be great and or effective. This workout is simple in that it only consists of two movements. One jump rope movement being the boxer skip and a squat hold. So on the screen right now, you see me doing a squat hold, which is where I lowered my body down to the point where my thighs were basically parallel to the ground. And I held that position for anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. And then afterwards, I went into the basic boxer skip for a minute or two. And I just repeated that for 30 minutes. So I'm preparing for a few athletic events next month, including a triathlon and a half marathon. So I'm doing a lot of leg strengthening exercises these days, as well as different movements to help strengthen my legs and to keep injuries at bay. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you an idea of something which you may include in one of your future workouts. This squat hold, which you can do against a wall too, if you don't feel like you can support your own body without a wall. You can just do it sitting up against the wall with your back resting against the wall. It's also very effective. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. Got a lot of great videos coming very soon. And I'd love it if you guys check out my books on Amazon. One about plantar fasciitis and one a jump rope inspirational motivational story. Links down below in the description. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.